Hello friends, myself Tushar Kallankar and my topic is RAID. RAID means Redundant Array of Independent Disk. Here are the few topics which are covered, some are covered by me and some are covered by my partner Praful Patne. First topic is improvement of reliability via redundancy. Second one is improvement in performance via parallelism. Third one is levels in RAID. Fourth one is choice of RAID level. Fifth one is RAID issues. Here is the introduction of RAID, redundant array of independent disk. Disk organization techniques that manage a large number of disks, providing a view of single disk of high capacity and high speed by using multiple level disks in parallel, and high reliability by storing data redundantly so that data can be recovered even if a disk is failed. The chance that some disk out of the set of n disk will fail in much higher than a chance that can be specific single disk will fail. Originally a cost effective alternative to large expensive disk in RAID originally stood for inexpensive. Today RAIDs are used for their higher reliability and bandwidth. Here is the first topic, improvement of reliability via redundancy. Redundancy means store extra information that can be used to rebuild information lost in disk failure. For example, mirroring. Logical disk consists of two physical disks. Every write is carried out on both disks. Read can take place for either disk. If one disk in a pair fails, data still available in other. Data loss would occur only if a disk fails, and its mirror disk also fails before the system is repaired. Mean time to data loss depends on the mean time to failure and mean time to repair. Here is the second topic, improvement in performance via parallelism. There are two main goals in parallelism in disk system. First one is load balance multiple small assets to increase throughput. Second one is parallelism large assets to reduce response time. Improve transfer rate by stripping data across the multiple disks. There are two types of stripping, bit level stripping, block level stripping. In bit level stripping, split the bits of each bytes across the multiple disks. Block level stripping, within n disk, block I of file goes to disk in bracket I mod n bracket complete plus 1. Request for different blocks can run in parallel if the block resides on different disks. A request for a long sequence of block can utilize all disks in parallel. Here are the third topics, RAID levels. Scheme to provide redundancy at lower cost by using disk stripping combined with parity bits. Different RAID organization or RAID levels have a different cost, performance and reliability characteristics. There are 6 levels in RAID. First is level 0, block stripping, non-redundant, used in high performance application where the data loss is not critical. Second level is level 1, mirror disk with block stripping, offers best write performance, popular for applications such as storing long files in database system. The first diagram is RAID stripping. Here are the some blocks of disk which are placed on each other, and the data in level 0, the data is redundantly stripping. That means the performance is high and the data loss is not critical. In second diagram, RAID mirroring, there are the disks which are placed in each other, but they are mirrored, means they are same, they are image file of each other. Means a popular for application for storing data is higher performance and not so critical, and it is useful as compared to the level 0.
Hello friends, my name is Praful Patne and another point are covered by me. Then RAID level 2. RAID level 2, memory style error correcting code with bit stripping. Then RAID level 3, bit inter-level parity. A signal parity bit is enough for error corrections, not just deletion, since we know each disk has failed. When writing data, corresponding parity bit must also be computed and returned to a parity bit disk. To recover data in damaged disks, compute XOR or bit from other disks, including parity bit disks. Shown figure RAID 2 and RAID 3. The difference are disks RAID 2 in 6 disks and RAID 3 in only 4 disks. They are different in between. Then RAID level 4, block inter-level parity. Use block level splitting and keep a parity block on a separate disk for corresponding block from n other disks. When writing data block, corresponding block of parity bits must also be computed and returned to parity disk, shown in figure. Then RAID level 5, block inter-level distribution parity. Partitions data and parity among all n plus 1 disks. Rather than sorting data in n disks and parity in 1 disk. For example, with 5 disks, parity block for nth set of block is stored on disk n mode bracket of n mode 5 plus bracket complete plus 1, with the data blocks stored on the other 4 disks. Shown in figure, then 4 disks, disk 0, disk 1, disk 2 and disk 3. Then another last level are RAID level 6. P plus Q redundancy similar to level 5 but store extra redundant information to graduate adjacent multiple disks. Failure. Better reliability than level 5 at a higher cost, not used as widely. Shown in figure, there are disk 0, disk 1, disk 2, disk 3 and disk 4. Then choice of RAID level. RAID level 1 provide much better write performance than level 5. Level 5 require at last 2 blocks read and 2 blocks write a signal block, whereas level 1 only require 2 block writes. Level 1 perform for high update environment such as log disks. Level 1 had higher storage cost than level 5. Disk drive capacities increases rapidly 50% per year, where disk access time have decreases much less, x3 in 10 years. Then input output requirements have increases greatly, for example for web service, when enough disks have been both to satisfy required rate of input output, they often have spare storage capacity, so there is often no extra monetary cost for level 1. Level 5 is perfect for applications with low update rate and large amount of data. Level 1 is performed for all rather applications. Then last point is hardware issues. Software RAID implementation done entire in software with no special hardware support. Hardware RAID implementations with special hardware use non-volatile memory and record write that are being executed. Behavior. Power failure during write can result in corrupted disks. For example, failure after writing one block but before writing the second in a narrate system. Such corrupted data must be deleted when power is restored recovery from corruption is similar to recovery from failed disks. NVRAM helped to efficiently detect potentially corrupted block. Otherwise, all